The Mercedes-AMG SL 63 4MATIC Plus is priced from $374,900 before on-road costs, which is $1,721 more than the previous generation AMG SL 63 when it was last sold in 2018. For the first time in over 20 years, the SL comes with a fabric soft top instead of a metal hard top. By doing this, Mercedes-AMG has shaved off 21 kilograms. The roof can open or close in 15 seconds at speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour. This SL brings back a 2+2 seating configuration that was last available as an option on the 4th generation SL. The back seats in the next-gen SL apparently provide enough space for passengers up to 1.5 meters tall, so best for small children or big bags. This SL rides on a completely new aluminium composite spaceframe platform known as the Modular Sports Architecture (MSA) that'll also underpin the next AMG GT coupe. Hi everyone, welcome to Exceptional Luxury. On this channel we bring you the latest, honest, and to-the-point narrated videos about luxury automotive excellence, real estate, and yachts all over the world. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you don't miss any videos. Moving on, the SL 63 4MATIC Plus is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine with 430 kilowatts of power and 800 Newton-meters of torque. This is mated to a 9-speed automatic with a wet multi-disc start-off clutch, with drive sent through a fully variable 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system. The Mercedes-AMG SL 63 4MATIC Plus is claimed to consume 13.9 liters per 100 kilometers on the combined WLTP cycle. It has a 70-liter fuel tank. The Mercedes-AMG SL 63 4MATIC Plus measures in at 4,705 mm long, 1915 mm wide, and 1,353 mm tall with a 2,700 mm wheelbase. The SL 63 4MATIC Plus has 240 liters of boot capacity, which shrinks to 213 liters when the electric soft top is retracted. It's expected the Mercedes-AMG SL 63 4MATIC Plus will be covered by a 5 years, unlimited kilometer warranty like the rest of the Mercedes-Benz passenger vehicle range. The Mercedes-AMG SL 63 Plus comes standard with metallic paint, with a full list of available colors. It has a 21-inch forged alloy wheels, yellow AMG brake calipers, AMG active ride control suspension, and active hydraulic anti-roll stabilization. Even refueling has been made safer and more convenient. Mercedes-AMG SL 63 4MATIC Plus incorporates a fuel filler flap that includes information labels on fuel type and tire pressure. The Mercedes-AMG SL 63 radiates an irresistible allure through its meticulously sculpted form that effortlessly combines elegance and strength. At the forefront, the iconic Mercedes grille commands attention, enhanced by exquisite chrome accents that exude opulence, and the LED intelligent light system ensures a remarkable clarity that sets new standards of style. Now, let's talk about the interior of the Mercedes-AMG SL 63 4MATIC Plus. Moving on to the door panel, it features a range of adjustments, allowing you to find the perfect position for your journey, with a premium Burmester high-end surround speaker and conveniently located button that opens and closes the power boot. As you step inside the Mercedes-AMG SL 63 4MATIC Plus, you are greeted by a world of opulence and refinement, including sumptuous Napa leather upholstery that envelopes the seats and dashboard. The craftsmanship is evident in every stitch, showcasing the impeccable attention to detail. The carbon fiber finish on the top and bottom of the steering wheel provides a stylish and sporty appearance. The leather finish on the sides of the steering wheel adds a touch of luxury and comfort. The presence of the Mercedes-AMG logo further emphasizes the exclusivity and refinement associated with the brand. The steering wheel serves as a convenient control hub for various functions of the car. These functions can include audio controls, cruise control, telephone operation, voice command activation, and more. The driver display screen provides a digital interface that allows you to access and customize various aspects of your driving experience. One of the features it may offer is a selection of drive mode settings and themes. These mode selections and themes allow you to personalize the visual appearance of the driver display screen according to your preferences. They can range from different color schemes, layouts, and styles, enabling you to create a driving environment that suits your mood or aesthetic taste. The Mercedes-AMG SL 63 4MATIC Plus is equipped with an automatic wind deflector. It can be conveniently activated with the push of a button. By activating the wind deflector, you create a barrier that helps redirect the airflow over the passenger compartment. This reduces the amount of wind entering the cabin and creates a more comfortable and quieter driving experience for the occupants, particularly at higher speeds. Not only can you control various features of the car from the multimedia system, but there is so much control that you can basically control every feature of the car right on the screen, such as the seat adjustments and ambient light with so many colorful lights. The ambient interior lighting has 64 colors combinations schemes to choose from for any mood. You can see the vehicle balance, which provides real-time feedback on the vehicle's balance, including factors like weight distribution and suspension settings. Next is the engine performance digital display, which provides real-time information about the engine's performance, such as horsepower, torque, and turbo boost pressure. Also is the vehicle consumption real-time monitoring, such as fuel economy or energy usage. All these can help drivers optimize efficiency and make informed decisions about their driving habits. The Mercedes-AMG SL 63 4MATIC Plus offers infotainment system integration that allows drivers to select different driving modes directly from the screen. Drivers can typically access a menu or settings section that provides options for selecting different driving modes. These driving modes are pre-configured settings that adjust various parameters of the vehicle, such as throttle response, suspension stiffness, steering sensitivity, and transmission behavior. By selecting different driving modes, drivers can tailor the vehicle's performance characteristics to suit their preferences and driving conditions. The Mercedes-AMG SL 63 4MATIC Plus is equipped with a 360-degree camera system. A system that consists of multiple cameras strategically positioned around the vehicle, providing a bird's-eye view perspective of the car's surroundings. The multimedia infotainment system display has a tilting mechanism that allows drivers to customize the angle of the display. This feature enables drivers to tilt the screen up or down to achieve the most comfortable and convenient viewing position based on their preferences and seating position. The presence of a cup holder and two Type-C USB ports in the Mercedes-AMG SL 63 4MATIC Plus adds to the convenience and connectivity options for both the driver and passengers. And the armrest features USB ports and some storage space. Above, the overhead control panel boasts several features, including individual switches to turn the front interior lighting on or off, providing personalized lighting control and convenience for both the driver and the front passenger. The sun visor includes built-in mirrors for added convenience. Now let's have a closer look at the boot. The boot of the Mercedes-AMG SL 63 4MATIC Plus provides a convenient storage space for your belongings. It provides ample room for luggage, bags, or other items you need to transport. It has 240 liters of boot capacity, which shrinks to 213 liters when the electric soft top is retracted. It features a premium Burmester high-end surround speaker and a first aid kit. Closing the boot is just a button press away, and the experience is truly satisfying as you witness it effortlessly seal shut. As we move to the passenger seat interior of the Mercedes-AMG SL 63 4MATIC Plus, let's explore the various features and elements that contribute to a comfortable and luxurious experience. The door panels in the passenger seat offer the same features as the driver's seat, designed with attention to detail and luxurious materials. They often feature a combination of high-quality materials such as leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum accents, creating a sophisticated and sporty aesthetic. The presence of the AMG logo on the door slide serves as a visual representation of the vehicle's association with the high-performance AMG division of Mercedes-Benz. And the floor interior is typically designed with high-quality carpeting. The glove box provides additional storage space for small items, documents, or personal belongings that you want to keep within easy reach while driving. Carbon fiber finishes incorporated into the interior trim, its inclusion adds a sporty and upscale aesthetic to the interior. The Mercedes-AMG SL 63 4MATIC Plus typically features seats upholstered in AMG Nappa leather. Nappa leather is a high-quality and supple type of leather that offers a luxurious feel and exquisite craftsmanship. The AMG branding adds a touch of distinction to the seats. The cockpit interior provides a driver-focused experience. It features an ergonomic layout with essential controls and instrumentation within easy reach. Pulling the strap attached provides access to rear seats, the Mercedes-AMG SL 63 4MATIC Plus, and it is primarily designed as a two-seater convertible sports car. While it may have rear seats, they are typically smaller in size and offer limited legroom. The rear seats are suitable for occasional use or for accommodating small passengers. The SL63 4MATIC Plus comes equipped with a high-quality 11-speaker Burmester sound system. Burmester is renowned for producing premium audio systems, providing immersive sound quality and an enhanced listening experience for occupants. Hazard lighting, also referred to as emergency or warning lights, serves as a crucial safety feature in vehicles. By activating the hazard lights, all of the vehicle's turn signals are illuminated simultaneously, creating a highly visible and attention-grabbing signal to other drivers on the road. The primary purpose of hazard lighting is to alert and notify surrounding drivers of potential hazards or emergencies. Whether you encounter a sudden breakdown, a road accident, or a hazardous situation, activating the hazard lights helps to communicate the presence of danger and prompts nearby drivers to exercise caution and adapt their driving accordingly. In summary, the exterior of the Mercedes-AMG SL63 4MATIC Plus typically showcases a sleek and athletic design. It often features aerodynamic lines, sculpted body panels, a prominent grille, AMG-specific styling elements, and distinctive AMG badging. While the interior of the SL63 4MATIC Plus offers a luxurious and sporty ambience. It combines premium materials, such as Nappa leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum, with modern technology and attention to detail. The overall design and craftsmanship create a comfortable and refined driving environment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things luxury, automotive, and lifestyle. Let's embark on this unforgettable journey together.